Okay, first of all, before me kuoku, let me drop this number. Go. This is a helpline in case if you know of any old woman, any old man that has been abandoned or that is not being properly taken care of by the family. Contact this number 080-845-91077. I repeat, 080-845-91077. This is the helpline you need to contact if you know any old woman or any old man, a widow or onyamotalonwa, or in any form, but they have been abandoned and they are not being taken care of properly. Contact, call this line, and the help will be on the way. This is not like the audio ambulance. This is not like the audio ambulance. Eba se one ambulance. Now you will put a number. Amana say no 666. Kasi no 999. Till today, we are yet to see number. Audio ambulance. This is not same with audio free hospital, because all free hospital that is not audio, that is not the one. The more you look, the less you see. You must have to drop a helpline so that when somebody will somewhere in the villages around, that person will contact you people through that helpline, and you people will respond, pick up that place, that person, your hospital. You ought to go. Zion and Evangelist Ebuka Obi is walking the talk. No be talk. Oh, when they say, not only one building, we've done really? Really? So, in when God, a mighty and multi-millionaire project like this, now account to how many buildings they don't have. The hospital, the so-called hospital, who celebrate for so long, making noise all over social media. How many buildings there are? How many buildings there are? In fact, how many rooms there are? Let us not talk about buildings, because talking about how many buildings over exaggerating nonsense. How many rooms do not that dilapidated flat unuje rent million man awaja na ehi manenu? You want to go? But how many buildings there are? How many buildings came from Nimeba? A well-furnished apartment with another foundation of an upstairs that can be continued in an white yard decking. Those to be continued. No owner, and way more. You want to go? How many buildings came from Nimeba? Or one building came from Nimeba? Or two buildings came from Nimeba? And why is the building even the issue here? You want to go? When Matthias rented that flat, and we analyzed that flat the way we did, is it why in year to if one name also when you on one room? The fact is that no services. So why are you people counting buildings now instead of thinking about the services this facility render to our people? A very mighty multi-millionaire project like this. Say thank you, man of Ziobi. Thank you, Zion. This is not audio. You ought to go. If it's sure for you, drop an emergency call number or drop a helpline for that audio free hospital or that audio ambulance. Zion is walking the talk. I repeat again, 080-845-91077. If you have any old person that is not being taken care of, maybe you take care of her, him, just call this number and the help will simply be on the way. That is the humanity Zion Ministry represents. That is the humanity Evangelist Ebuka Obi preach about. Oblonde say the reformat. You ought to go. Help has come to Igbo land. And I am happy that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is leading that movement. You want to go? I say, and then I'll the shallow funanya. We will no nebe. Then I'll look at the shallow funanya. We will no nebe. Zion is a movement. Zion is a movement. And the earlier you join that movement, the better for you. Imecha ega like really Zion. Aha yo ya yo. Imeriki de si agoketa mani ige mecha kweta. A lot of you mini juru hono. They are still unable to talk because they turn out of the event, sweep her off their feet. They are yet to recover from that shock or that tsunami that took place in Imo State. And while you are still in that shock, another one is still going to take you again in Anambra State. Because in the Anambra State theater, even more massive than what you are seeing in Imo State. What of Enugu? Enugu is loading. Enugu is loading. And while you are trying to recover now that shock, I will show you the wonder and the beauty of what is going on in Ngopala. Just sit down and relax. We walk the talk and not just talking. I am yet to hear Matthias' assessment of what Evangelist Ebuka Obi has done. Is that not what he has been preaching? Is that not what he has been preaching? Remember, share this video. Share this video. And we are waiting for the helpline. Evangelist Ebuka Obi go in another direction to how you run a free facility. And audio. I know that a blow phone in a hospital. Why name the operation fibroid? Put a helpline. There are so many people who need that services around here who cannot even afford to make a movement. The helpline, I have people I can call you. I can even finance I can even sponsor the transport of that person to that facility. Or then other treatment will free. The ambulance audio, we can't see it anywhere. Or to go there, share this video because we really need this update. Dalon.